Okay, welcome back to my channel. So I got my brows done. I did my brows. Today's video is going to be how to do a natural makeup look. So we're going to do a natural makeup look, and what I mean, like how I do my natural makeup look, is no lashes, just something very nice and clean cut, not too much. We will do a little bit of foundation. So yeah, just a real basic look that you can wear every day, and you're not trying to, you know, do your eyeshadow and none of that. You just want to have flawless skin, and you want to win. So let's get right into it. I do have a tutorial for my brows, so please check that out if you're wondering how I do my brows, or if you want to learn how I do my brows. Without further ado, let's get right into it. Okay, so I'm going to be using a sponge, and I'm going to be using my little Real Technique foundation face brush, and then I'm going to be using this little powder brush. And forgive me, I've used these brushes, so if they don't look too clean, because I use them, so I do wash my brushes. Just today I have not. And today I'm going to be going in with oh gosh, you guys, I'll list it. It's a NARS foundation and a MAC foundation. So let's just get right into it. Okay, so I'm just going to be applying. I mix the foundations up because I feel like, I mean, they match me a little more when I do that. So I did it. I did that. Yeah, y'all, so that's what I'm doing. Anybody else ready for the summer? It seems like it's kind of going fast. I know I am. Okay, so now I'm going to be brushing that foundation on my eyelids as well, because again, this is a natural makeup look. So I want my, you know, that means really you're gonna be light with the makeup. That's how you perfect. And I'm just lifting my little scarf up because, yeah, when you wear scarves, guys, like me, like I wear my scarves a lot, so it's important for me to make sure that I do that. We're not even going to go in with no highlight. Like, this is a real simple basic look that you can wear day to day without even trying to do the whole shebang with your face. So if that's you and you're, you know, you want to get into that, then do that. You keep watching, because this video is going to be really beneficial for you. Yes, very beneficial. Okay, so we got our foundation on. Great. Now we're gonna go in with the Anastasia bronze palette in Mahogany, and we're gonna kind of like, I'm not gonna do like a contour like I usually do. I mean, it kind of is, but I'm just like bronzing my face up without actually having to do like a contour or anything like that. Well, I guess I am contouring in a sense, but it's lightweight. You ain't really gotta focus. I'm not even gonna do my nose. I just wanted to get some powder on there. Okay. Then I'm gonna go in with my Laura Mercier translucent powder. I'm gonna put that all over my face to set my foundation. So I'm gonna put that powder on my face to set that foundation. I actually really love this Laura Mercier powder. I really do. Like, it's really cool. So eyelids. Okay. Then I'm gonna go in with my Sephora mascara. Like, this look is super basic, but you look at that. Mascara, no mascara. This mascara is bomb. Like, my lashes look like they just grew. Wow. Wow. It's dope. When I do my natural looks, I really want to look as natural as possible. So you can really tell the difference from my eyelash. From this eyelash, I look kind of bald-headed on this eyelash. Gonna go in. And we gonna do the same thing. Yeah, you guys, if you like these videos, subscribe to my channel because there will be more videos. More and more videos to come. Look at that. You don't need much. You really don't. Look at that. You don't need much, sis. You really don't. I'm going to take a little bit of that foundation like on my brush and pat it on my lips. Well, not on my lips, but like around the base of my lips. Because your girl about to start on her lips. Okay. I really like this no makeup look. Sorry, a natural makeup look. Then I'm gonna go ahead. So that was with the Wet n Wild brown pencil. Then I'm gonna go in with this Forever Matte lipstick in Dune. It's like a pink, like a light. Oh. Okay. Cute. So we just do that. Doing a natural look does not require a lot, you guys, believe it or not. This look, I mean, without me doing it on camera, would probably take about, with the brows, I'll add the brows too, probably like 20 to 25 minutes. So here's the look. You guys. You could do nude. You could do gloss or matte. I'll be keeping mine matte. So this is the finished look. You can screenshot, you can save. I just got my little scarf on in the back, so yeah, I don't mind it. This is the finished look. So make sure you guys subscribe to my channel if you want to see more makeup videos, or what is the next video you want to see from She Is SBE Aesthetics, because that's what this is all about, enhancing your beauty, our beauty together. So yep, let me know and I'll be back with more videos. Ciao.